Are you interested in installing a prefab unit on a plot of land to rent it out on Airbnb? Upon analyzing the Asheville market, one of the outdoor tourism capitals in the United States, and comparing the various types of unique states listed on Airbnb, we are able to provide you with information on which ones generate the highest returns on investment. A yurt generates $34,000 annually in revenue. A cabin generates $35,000 per year. A tiny house generates $40,000 a year. A dome on average generates $62,000 per year. An A-frame generates $73,000. A treehouse generates $130K. Installing a yurt or a dome on your property makes sense to generate cash flow, not to increase the property value. Regarding the more traditional constructions, when it comes to the cabin, the A-frame, or the treehouse, keep in mind that the cost per square foot is similar, but the return varies greatly. If you want to install a cabin or an A-frame, there are different manufacturers that license their designs and sell you the construction kits. With a local builder, you can quickly install them on your property. If you're interested in doing a mini unit stay development, for example, a treehouse or an elevated cabin, you can license the foothold designs or hire the company to do the construction. We have come to the conclusion that the A-frame is a solid choice for a traditional and low-risk construction, while treehouses offer a great option to maximize your returns on investment. In both instances, there are already manufacturers who offer pre-made designs and construction kits for sale to facilitate the task and make it more convenient. If you want to receive a list of manufacturers and a calculator to estimate the returns for each of these models, enter the link below, and with your email, you will receive both things. We hope this video and materials we've created help you get started on your first mini Unix state dev project.